Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make a traditional German pasta dish that is generally recognized as the origin of mac and cheese as we know it today. This rustic homemade pasta is much easier to make than you might realize, so join me for this recipe of traditional Käsespätzle that will become your new favorite comfort food. Start by sifting the flour, crack the eggs, add nutmeg and salt, mix the ingredients with a cooking spoon, add the water, continue to stir until the dough is smooth. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. For the next step, you will need a Spätzle lid. Add a small portion of the dough on the lid and press it through the holes. Once all the dough has been pushed through, let the noodles boil until they rise to the surface. Then skim them out and place them into a strainer. I will show you one more time. There are different shapes of Spätzle in southern Germany. The kind we're making today is called Nockerl or Knöpfle. The next best known version is a noodle-like shape. However, good quality equipment to make dough starts at about $80, so we will stick to the Nockerl for now. You can get the lid to make them on Amazon for less than $15. I put a link in the description for you. Set the burner to low heat and melt the butter in a saucepan. Pour in the heavy cream. Continuously stir the cream while you add salt and pepper. Add in 3 parts of shredded cheese. I use Gouda and Gruyere. You can use any cheese you like, but for the sake of the origin of the recipe, I recommend a German mountain cheese or a Swiss cheese. Continue to stir the mixture until the cheese is completely melted. Spread your Spätzle out in a casserole dish or cast iron skillet and pour the cheese sauce over them. Add the leftover shredded cheese on top and then bake the dish at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Once it's done baking, add some fried onions and chives and serve immediately. And that's it. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you have fun making Käsespätzle and delight your loved ones with it. If you enjoyed this recipe, please help the channel grow by giving the video a like, and if you want to see more, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.